guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got Glossy Box for you. This is my PR box. I know just because my PR box goes to my mum's house and my box that I pay for myself comes to my house. My mum brought this one for me yesterday. Glossy Box is a monthly beauty subscription box. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, and I've also got a discount code which I'll put down below for you as well. So I'm a little bit under the weather, so my voice sounds a little bit different to normal, but we're just gonna pretend I'm fine and just power through while the baby sleeps. So let's have a look. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh, it's a different kind of box. It's a different kind of box. Look, I love it. How gorgeous is that? Oh, I love it. I had no idea. I'm always really careful about not looking at anyone else's videos or anything until afterwards, after I've got mine. Mine is version 1, just to let you know. It says on the side. So it's like that, and it says, "Hey Glossies, we like to think our monthly Glossy Box as a treasure trove of beauty gems, and this month is our July Beauty Treasures edit. You're going to love discovering the latest things inside, from skincare that will refresh and uplift your makeup, that will allow you to shimmer like gold. Your search for this month's must-haves is over." I've just seen something that I'm very excited about, because I've been looking. I've just seen a bronzer. And I've been trying to buy a bronzer. I bought some the other day. It's completely gone off on a tangent. But obviously there's no testers at the moment. And I usually use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which is like my favourite bronzer ever. But mine is gone now. It's just, there's 2 tiny little fragments left, and it's just pan and just there's nothing there. So I went to Boots, and they had Revolution, the XX Revolution. And I got like a cream bronzer, and then I got a sleek bronzer as well. But there was no testers, and they wouldn't let me open them. And I got them home, and I opened the what do you call it, the Revolution one, and then I literally, as soon as I opened the box, I could see it through the glass, and I would have looked like David Dickinson had I have worn that bronzer. If you don't know who David Dickinson is, I'll put a picture of him in here for you now. And then the sleek one, it looked like it was going to be okay, but then when I actually swatched it and tested it, it was so orange and had shimmer in it. It was just awful. So they both had to go back, which is a shame. But I have found out as well, all this makeup that we're returning just gets incinerated. They don't donate it or anything. They literally just incinerate it. Like the Revolution one, I hadn't even opened the pot, but they just incinerate it. They gave me my money back and incinerate it, and it is just absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, a little rant over. Let's have a look at this. Ooh, I can see some chocolate as well. Okay, so the first thing I've got, oh my god, the Illamasqua's full size. There's a full-size Illamasqua highlighter. Good lord. I thought that was going to be a teeny tiny one. Beyond Powder OMG. Subtly add a warm hue to your complexion with this highlighting powder. Whether you want to achieve an all-over illuminating finish or simply highlight certain points, this product ensures that you end up with a natural radiant glow. Buff Beyond Powder, either wet or dry, onto the high points of your face. £34. Look at this beautiful compact. Oh my goodness. Illamasqua is cruelty-free, which is amazing. Oh my god, look at that. That is beautiful. That is such a nice, I love that. That's a really pretty, it's nothing too much. It's just a nice, you can see it on my finger. It's just a nice kind of champagne-y highlighter. I really like that. I'm excited to try this wet. I'll probably use it wet on my eyes, to be honest. I probably like to spray a brush with setting spray and then just go in to like give it extra shimmer. But that is actually really pretty. I like it. Ah, that's awesome. That's a really lovely start to the box. Honestly, when I saw that in there, I just thought that was going to be a teeny weeny sample. That's exciting. So next I've got MCO Beauty cheek and lip tint in the colour Flamingo. I feel like I've had one of these recently. Discover the double duty beauty for this rosy pout and flushed cheeks. This lip and cheek tint that perfectly blurs the lines between a dewy gloss and a pigmented stain, making it essential multitasking product. Get out. Blend using fingertips, and this is cruelty free. £12. This is full size. Everything's full size actually. I've got nothing on my lips today, so I should put some on. Get off. Oh wow. Okay, it looks the colour when it came out, I thought it was going to be like similar to my nail varnish. It literally looks the same, but it's a lot more subdued. Let me just get camera for a mirror. Oh, it's nice. I like it. Doesn't taste of anything, but it's a nice colour. Pretty! Oh, we're winning so far. Next, I've got Aurica. That may not mean anything to some of you, but some of you it will mean something. Aura Body Fragrance, Tropic. This is an island escape in a bottle. Tropic Mist captivates the island's florals and warm rays of light and allows you to add a luxurious scent that embodies exactly that onto your skin. Just a spritz or two of this body fragrance will leave your skin feeling super soft. Let's have a look. It's weird packaging because it's got like a vacuum pack kind of doodad around it, which is, I don't think I've ever had a bottle in a weird vacuum pack. I'm not sure this is cruelty free. Made in China, so it's probably not. I'm going to smell it, but then I'm going to check and I'll put it on the screen and I'll be giving this to someone else if it's not cruelty free. I was expecting coconut, I'll be honest. Anything that says like tropical, I kind of expect like a coconutty vibe. But I don't get any coconuttiness from it. It's not horrible. I don't think I would ever I don't think I'd ever choose to like smell like that. It's not a horrible smell at all. It's just, I don't know what it is. I will go on their website and see if I can find out what the actual smell is, because it just says florals and warm rays of light, and light doesn't smell of anything. So I'll have a look and I'll put a little bit of information here, or I'll put it down below, but that's an odd one. Least favourite so far. And we've got a random, oh my god, that looks good. Like a little extra treat, a little bar. This is a Belvita Baked Bar with dark chocolate and hazelnut. That sounds amazing. That's really good. Oh! And we've got 2 little bubble gums as well. Oh, this is really cute. I love these. Next, I've got a FOMO apple and star fruit. What are you? Place on the shower floor. Oh, I had one of these in a different box before. This says vegan friendly. I will double check to see if it's cruelty free. It says vegan friendly. Place on the floor of the shower. Turn on the shower and allow a short time for the aroma of apple and star fruit and sweet orange essence oils to enhance your shower. So yeah, you just literally put them on the floor of your shower and then turn your shower on, and it just makes it like a sort of a steamy room that smells amazing. Oh, that smells lovely. I can smell it through the plastic. And it's a little shell. I love that. The one I had last time was really nice. This is Bubble Tea Cosmetics. Refresh your senses while you shower with this apple and starfruit shower steamer. Essentially a bath bomb for your shower. Place the shell on the floor and wait for the humidity to hit. The shell will fizzle by your feet, releasing an amazing aroma into the air. £3.99. I love that. I think they're really, really nice. You put it slightly to the side. Like if your water's coming here, put it slightly to the side and then it lasts longer. And then the last thing in here is a bronzer, and it's KNDR, so I think that's Kind Bronze Bronzer. Creamy ultra soft formula has been formulated with a blend of nutrient-rich plant-based butters Oh, it's cruelty free as well. Get in. To condition the skin. Natural buildable bronzing powder that gives the perfect sun-kissed effect. This is £14. Please don't be orange. Please don't be orange. Might be a bit dark for me. Oh, why am I so pale? It looks like a butter bronzer as well. That's a very similar effect to a butter bronzer on the top. Oh, soft. Oh, I think it's going to be too dark. Oh. Oh no, it might be okay. Might be okay. I think if I blend it out, it might be okay. It's not, I think you can probably build it. Like if I do just a thick, you can sort of see it's definitely a warm bronzer. But then if I blend it out, I think I might be able to get away with it. I'll give it a go and see. See, that's just like one swipe on its own, and then that's kind of like blended out with my finger. I'll give it a go. I'm excited to try that. I think that has been my favourite box in a long time. I really, really like that box. Yes, I do. Our August sneak peek is a LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which I know most people will be very excited about, but LMS is not cruelty free, which is annoying. But yeah. Oh, Glossy Box have got a skincare range. Not skin. I know they've got a skincare range. I've bloody had it. They've got a sleep set. Ooh, sleep and refresh set. That looks interesting. So we've got a micellar cleanser, a sleep serum, and an eye something, I think. That looks interesting. Yeah, definitely my favourite box in a long time. I really, really like that. And I love the fact everything is full price, full size, and I like the fact that we've got little sweeties and the chocolate and stuff. Love it. And the box is definitely my favourite box in a long time. The actual appearance of it, I think it's beautiful. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did you get a different version? What did you get? Let me know. I would love to know. I have a giveaway running at the moment for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm so close. I'm like 400 away. There's 3 giveaways within the video, so I'll leave a link for that, and would be very, very happy if you hit the subscribe button and the like button and got involved and joined this little weird family we've got going. We've got lots and lots of fun stuff coming. Not beauty related or anything, just exciting stuff happening in our lives, hopefully in the next few months. I don't want to share too much in case it doesn't materialise, but it's going to be amazing if it does. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.